In today's video, we'll be talking about Not Pixel, how it works, and everything you need to know about it. Not Pixel is an airdrop that is backed by Notcoin, just like other successful airdrop, dogs, dogs, and the rest. So if you haven't started mining this airdrop, I'll be leaving the link in the description box or in the comment section. So do well to join. And if you're already mining it, fasten your seatbelts because I'm going to be showing you how it works and how to mine. Unlike other airdrops, it's usually tapping, but this one is painting. I know you're going to be wondering, oh, am I an artist? Don't worry, you don't need to be an artist. So I'm going to open the bot now. I'm on my Telegram now, so I'm just going to click on the Not Pixel. So this is the airdrop. As you can see, it has already gotten 3 million something users like. So this is going to be a huge project. If you haven't joined, link in the description box or in the comment section. So I'm just going to click on start. Not Pixel, it's loading. So as you can see, I have 574 pixels already. So this is how it works. Let's go. So as you can see here, it shows me claim here. You can see claim. I'm just going to click on claim. So here is how it works. Here is how it works. Reward for painting. When you paint pixels, you get pixels. Use boosters to get more pixels. So mining, each pixel color mines 0.1 pixel per day. So each pixel you color is going to mine 0.1 pixel per day. You get. Then 6 repaints equals to 0.6 pixel per day. So I'm going to be showing you how to paint this thing and what they mean by each pixel you paint is going to give you 0.1 pixel per day. Pixel must be claimed every 8 hours or mining stops. Like you have to log in every 8 hours to claim your pixel. So let's go now. Let me show you what they mean by this now. And this is how it works. So I'm just going to go back to painting. So this is the surface, the pixels that we are going to be painting. You see this arrow here? So this is to zoom out and this is to zoom in. So we are going to use zoom in now. Let me take this thing down. So I'm going to use zoom in now. Okay, so I here now, this is what we call pixel. This is what we call pixel. Yes, this is what we call pixel. So for each one you paint, you are going to be getting mining 0.1 pixel in a day. For each one you paint, you're going to be getting 0.1 pixel. So let's paint one now. Let's paint. I'm just going to tap on this pixel now. So I want to paint it green. If you noticed here, if you noticed on my pixel this thing, just keep your attention here, you see that my pixel is increasing. Also, let me paint another one. So I'm going to paint this one. I'm going to paint this one white. Let me move this thing here. I'm going to paint this one white. So let me paint another one. Just, you see my pixel is increasing. Let me paint another one. I'm going to paint this one green as well. Yes. So for each pixel you paint, you'll be getting 0.1 pixel mining per day. So this is how this pixel works. You get. So, and I still have two more energy left. Here. You can see this. I still have two more energy left. So let me use it. So let's zoom out. If you want to zoom out, you can use your hands and zoom out. You get. You can use your hands and zoom out, or you can use this. You can use this and zoom out. So this is basically how this airdrop works. So the next thing you are going to get talking about is the task that you can perform and earn more pixels. So let's go back. So you can see the mining is already working for me. It's collecting, okay, 0.0032. This particular thing will be increasing based on how many pixels you have painted this thing. Each pixel you paint is going to give you 0.1 per day. So painting 6 pixels should be giving you like, yes, 0.6 per day. Yes, painting 6 will give you 0.6 per day. So paint as many as you want to increase your mining. So these are the tasks that you can do here. Invite bonus up to 64 for friend. Paint pixel. Okay, as you can see, I've already painted 9 pixels since I joined this airdrop. If I paint up to 20, I'm going to claim this 64 pixel. I'm going to claim this. Then invite friends. Invite 3 friends, you get 64 pixel. Join squad, you get 64 pixel. Telegram premium, you get 512 pixels. These are the ones I've completed. Silver league bonus, gold league bonus, pixels channel, they gave me a bonus as well. Not Pixel on X, follow them on X, they also gave me a bonus. Join the community, they gave me a bonus as well. So this is basically how it works. So let's go back. I want to use all my energy. Let's go back to the painting. So this part is, if you want to, just like if you mind other airdrop, all those boasts you are seeing there, this is exactly how this one works. You can purchase the energy for 384 stars if you have, but I'm not purchasing anything. This energy loads, I think it takes like 10 minutes for this energy to be full. So let's paint with this remaining 2 energy that I have. So zoom in. I'm just gonna zoom in now. Yes. We have zoomed in. I just want to paint something now. I want to paint the Nigerian flag. So let's paint this pixel. Let's turn this to green and turn this one to green as well. So as you can see now, I just painted the Nigerian flag. I just painted the Nigerian flag. Shout out to all the Nigerians watching this video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. See, I just painted the Nigerian flag, as you can see. Thanks for watching this video. This is how to mine the pixel, not pixel airdrop. If you got value from this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos. My name is Jen Francis. See you guys on my next video. Peace.